Client-side mediation, you mediate at client-side. Common scenario, website performs client-side input validation checking using the JavaScript. So I told you the example how it checks over there. If incorrect data entered, a pop-up windows will appear and prevent form submission. So the form will not be submitted and it will give you error over there. Sometimes it gives you alphanumeric. So like for example, in the age, you cannot put the alphabets. In the name, sometimes they don't allow in the alphabets over there. So what if the attacker know all about this client-side mediation? They turn off your JavaScript. So when they turn off your JavaScript, they can send the malicious code in that one, special characters on that one. And if they send a special character on that one, they can launch an SQL injection attack over there. So edits the forms before the submission over there. Write a script that interacts with the web server. Okay, so the web server will the client will interact with the web over there instead of using a web browser at all. So they will not use, and they will directly connect. The web browser will be skipped over there. The JavaScript will be disabled over there, and you can directly interact with the server. Okay, connects to the server over there, right? So they can connect directly with the command like telnet. Telnet is one of the command you can also use on the CMD over there, and you can connect server.com, means like iau.com or iau.edu.sa, and with the AT directly you can connect with that one by disabling the JavaScript. How to fix this one? Client side alone leaves the security flaws over there. Implement server side mediation. So in this case, you can also implement server side mediation in case of like a username and the password. Username and the password cannot be known to the attackers in that case.